Before you rush into designing your home, stop. There are mistakes homeowners make that end up costing them money, comfort, and even their peace of mind. In today's video, I'll walk you through Fiacre's project and show you 10 horrible home features you'll regret in 2025. And of course, how we avoided them to create something cozy, stylish, and dope. And hey, if you've ever looked at your house and thought, this wall feels like it's judging me, yeah, this video is for you. Mistake number one: oversized furniture in small rooms. Too often, people buy giant sofas or bulky office furniture that overwhelm their space. It feels cramped, cluttered, and regret sets in fast. For Fiacre, we customized a sectional sofa, perfectly sized, semi-leather finish, and comfortable without suffocating the room. It's proof that scale matters more than size. And remember, bigger isn't always better, except for your fridge. Then yes, bigger is better. Mistake number two: ignoring material durability. Cheap boards and weak finishes might look good on day one, but they chip, peel, and fade quickly. That regret sets in when you're replacing furniture after just a year. For Fiacre, we introduced Umu Save wood, a strong local material blended with gray MDF, durable, stylish, and proudly Rwandan. Basically, this wardrobe will outlive most of my gym memberships. Mistake number three: open storage overload. A pantry filled with only open shelves looks amazing on Instagram until real life hits: dust, clutter, and chaos. For Fiacre's pantry, we avoided that trap by combining open shelves with closed cabinetry. It keeps everyday items practical while still giving space for display. Because nobody wants visitors walking in and seeing your 6 bags of spaghetti and half a kilo of beans. Mistake number four: no hidden storage. Clutter is the silent killer of beautiful design. When there's nowhere to tuck things away, your living room becomes a storage room. That's why we created poof chairs with hidden storage, paired with a sleek coffee table. Stylish on the outside, practical on the inside. Think of it like your fridge. It looks innocent closed, but inside, chaos. Mistake number five: no workshop transparency. One big regret homeowners have is not knowing what's happening during the build. Projects drag on, trust fades. For Fiacre, I sent updates straight from our workshop: raw MDF, frames, and the carpenters sanding wood. It wasn't just progress, it was peace of mind. Plus, let's be honest, watching carpenters sanding wood is strangely satisfying, like ASMR but with sawdust. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Also, drop a comment and tell me what country you're watching from. I'll be giving shout-outs in the next video. Or if you're shy, just leave me a heart and I'll know you're part of the dope furniture family. And if you comment from Mars, well, you're definitely getting a shout-out. Mistake number six: bad cable management. There's nothing worse than a beautiful TV unit ruined by dangling wires and messy cables. It's one of the most common regrets. For Fiacre's TV stand, we built in hidden channels for neat cable management. The result? Sleek vertical wood panels, clean lines, and zero mess. Because let's face it, cables are like toddlers. If you don't control them, they'll run wild. Mistake number seven: wardrobes that don't work. Wardrobes often look nice outside but fail inside. Poor layouts, wasted space, and clothes stuffed in awkward spots. For Fiacre, we designed a wardrobe with a gray MDF plus Umusav combo, maximizing both aesthetics and storage. He loved it so much, he ordered an extra 8-door unit. That's when you know your design is good, when the client says, "I'll take another one, please." Like it's a sandwich. Mistake number eight: random furniture mix. Another regret? Mismatched furniture. A home feels disconnected when every room looks like it belongs to a different house. For Fiacre's kitchen, we designed bar stools that match the living room theme: gray and wood, consistent, and visually calming. No regrets here. It's like matching socks. Not strictly necessary, but it saves you from weird looks. Mistake number nine: forgetting finishing touches.
I put his initials in there. I
Furniture
also
alone
added
doesn't
his
complete a home.
birdhouse
Skipping
photo.
details
He
like
said the big
curtains,
book that he
rugs, or
wanted
plants
was
leaves
from
a
a video
space feeling
game.
empty. Fiacre's final touches, curtains, accessories, and just the right negative space, tied the entire project together. Sometimes it's the small things that make the biggest impact, like salt on fries. Without it, it's just sadness in a paper bag. Mistake number 10, no long term planning. Shortcuts and quick fixes might save you money today, but they guarantee regret tomorrow. Fiacre chose to invest in custom, durable furniture that will serve him for years to come. A home should be built to last, not just to impress for one season. Because trust me, nobody wants to be buying a new wardrobe every Black Friday. Fiacre's project is a perfect example of how to avoid design regrets in 2025. From hidden storage to durable materials, from cable management to consistent design, it's all about planning smart. The best part? He was so happy with the results, he gave me a bonus on top of the payment. That's when you know you've delivered value. So if you're planning your own project, avoid these 10 horrible mistakes, and you'll create a home that's not just livable, but cozy, stylish, and dope. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more transformations with dope furniture. And if you made it this far, you officially deserve a comfy chair upgrade.